Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, I will show you how to create this POS system plus kitchen ordering. So basically, just a quick view. I have a menu, so you can add a menu also and categories. And I have a add new order. So basically, this app, what will happen is when you add a new order, once you save, it goes to the kitchen here, wherein you can see that kitchen have pending order. So let's try to add one order. Let's say you want to add a new order, and it's automatically generate the order number plus uh, what is the order type. Let's say takeaway, and it generates the time and cashier. Let's see, and let's make an order. And as you can see, it's there is like the valid if formula. So it's only valid if the value is 1. And this POS system, it's a multiple item. So you can add more items as you like. For example, let's say I want to add another one and the price is automatically generated. So I want to order 3. Let's add another one. Okay. And let's add another one until we max out the POS, the number of items that we can add. Okay, so maximum items, guys, it's 10 items. Okay, let's click add. Okay, let's click add as well, and add. This is the last item. Okay, then if you want to view the order summary, you can do that. So you can see here, the order type is takeaway. This is the time that you generate the order, the cashier name, and here in this side you can see order one is Carolina grilled salmon, uh, one one order, 3 times means 3 orders, and so on and so forth, guys. And down here you have the subtotal. If you wish to apply a discount, let's say you want to apply 10, let's put 10 for example. It's deducted to the total amount. Then the payment is, let's say, 166. Let's say you want to put only 160, 150 for example. It will show invalid. So you cannot put less payment in the system. It must be either the same or more. You can see. If you put more, no problem. Okay. But the change will not pop out. If you pay more, if you pay it by cash, it will show you the change. Okay. So what will happen once you save this order? Okay, it will go to the kitchen and kitchen can process your orders. Okay, let's wait to save this one, and it's generate also a receipt wherein you can print. Okay, so here's the receipt. So here's the receipt. So as you can see, guys, it's writing takeaway receipt. If you put dine in, it will show you here in your receipt dine in as well. So it has order number, the date, the time, and then the items that you ordered and the total amount. Then you can print the receipt. And and kitchen, they can see that they have a pending order here. So kitchen can only view if the order is for today. So once they done for the order, let's say they completed all of this, they can simply edit and put completed, click save. It will remove in their pending list. Go back. So only one pending they have. Okay, once we remove this also, it will remove as well in their pending orders. Okay, so there is no orders. Here also you can see the daily orders. It's sort by date, how much the income, daily sales, and also kitchen orders. You can monitor what are those kitchen orders completed, not completed. Okay, and as well there are the receipts here. You can check in case you want to void the receipt. So you can void. So receipt number 2004, you delete it, and also the same time you have to delete the receipt number here. I mean the receipt. Okay. So now I will show you how to create this application. So let's go to our database first. Okay, in my database, I have just one, two, three, four, five tables. So the first table have is the home page. The home page, this is the where my shortcuts are placed, this photo. So it has only one column, and this is the link of the image, or you can also put your own image here, your own photo. So I prefer to put an online photo. And then second is I have the menu. So menu, guys, this is the menu. Okay, so this is the table for the menu. And I have the orders, which is my database for all my orders, which is you can see here. So this is the daily orders. So in this table, I have the order number, the order type, the date, the time, cashier. So this is a multiple items POS. You can make as much as you can. Let's say 20, 50. So you can make all of this. So for me, I created maximum 10 order, 10 items. So as you can see, guys, this is the order one, price one, quantity one, order one, add order one. So this add order, you can see when you creating a order, for example, you see this one, add order. So this is the bottom. So this is this column. Okay, so this is the add order one. Okay, then same goes down here. I mean, all the way here. So this is order number three, order number four, order number five, up to 10 items. Then I have this column view summary. This is where once you view the summary, it will show you all your orders. And here is the amount one. This is the amount that is equals to your order one amount, the price, I mean the unit price times the quantity of the order number one. Okay, and it goes up to 10 because this POS maximum 10 items I can add. Then the next one I have the subtotal, the discount, the total amount. So subtotal basically guys, this is the total amount order without anything, without discount. So discount is just subtotal minus discount, so that is equal to total amount. Then amount paid, then cash. I mean, this cash and card, this is in case if customer pays here, so you can break down the payments. Okay, and change. This is only it will show only if the payment is by cash, as you can see. So let's say cash, and then the customer, let's say cash, and the customer pays 7, it will show you the change. So that's this column. All right. So I did not place any formula in this um, orders table. Then second one is the kitchen table, which is you can see is the kitchen is here, kitchen orders. So all the database, I mean the reports for kitchen goes here. Whatever is the order, it goes to the kitchen. Okay, so I have the order status, order number, the order type, then the date, time, the cashier, then order one, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this up to 10. How many orders your POS can hold, so it will be the same as well here. Then I have the order number. This is this is a serial number only, guys. So it goes here when you create a new order. It generates the number. So if you wanted to start with a specific number, you can simply add this one, and then below this 2000, you can place a formula query. Okay, so query in orders here. Okay, so you can use this formula. Query E2 to A. So from here up to down. Okay. Now I already explained to you the database. Let's proceed to the application. Okay. So I in my app editor, I have this also one, two, three, four, five, six columns. I mean six tables. Here I have only five, right? I'll explain to you the other one. So I have the files. This is the file when you create a new order, it generates a PDF. So here, receipts. So this is the table for that. Homepage. So this is the one that is in the background, as you can see. That I can place my shortcut. And kitchen, of course, is this view. This is a slice view, and this one, kitchen orders. And I have the menu, which is the menu here. Okay, and I have the order number. Order number is basically when here the serial number, and I have the orders. This is the database for all of my orders, or my or here. Okay, so let's explain one by one. Just a second. Okay, so let's start with the homepage. Homepage basically it is only a two columns, image and like that. So when you go to homepage, then you go to UX view, you can see I title it as home, we're in this one, and view as a detail. Then here, column order is only image, and keep it in background. So it will display like this. Okay. Then you can change the icon to this. You can see this one. Okay, so that's simple basic thing. Then let's explain to you the kitchen or menu first. Menu, as you can see, there is no much formula for this. So the row key is the name of the food. Then price, the image, which is you can see if you go to menu, there is an image here. Okay, so then the category and the price. So there is no formula in this. So just keep it as in new. As you can see, you can put your desired category. Okay, and then related orders, I did not show it. I don't want to show. But you can have an option to show also. Then if you go to the UX of this menu, you so it's basically a deck view. I sort it by name and the category, then group aggregates count. So here you can see, so I have three starter, I have three main course, two desserts, and two drinks. So this is the purpose of this. Then the main image is photo. So you can see photo if you go here. So the menu here is the photo, and secondary header is the price, which is here. Okay, and as you like, you can make full image, show action bar, or you can add an action bar also. But I did not show the action bar because if you want to edit it, I want you to click it, and here you can edit. Okay, so that's all for the menu. There's no much formula on that. Then let's go to the orders. So orders, there here is the lots of formula and expressions. So let's start with the order number. So in order number, this is the serial number. When you created a new order here, it generates the order number. So the formula for that is this one. Go to auto compute here. So max formula, order number. So but before you proceed for this, let's discuss first this order number. Okay. So order number here. So it's just remove the separator. When you go to UX, there is no need for UX view for this. Just upload the table and like that. Okay. Then let's go to orders, guys. So this is the order number. So we have to put a formula. So in this formula, I will explain to you. Max means the maximum in order number table, which is this one. Okay. The column is order number, which is this one, and plus one. Okay. So every time you make a punch an order, it will goes to 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. Okay. Then second thing is the order type, which is this one, line in or takeaway. You can just simply put an enum, then add values. Also, you can choose if you want drop down, auto, or stock. Then the date. Date is I use long date format. We're in this one, and Auto compute, I want it once they add the new order, it generates the date automatically. And okay, and here. So as you can see, they can change the date, right? So to avoid that, you can just click this and put the formula is blank. This. So they can edit if this column is empty. Okay. Same goes to time. It's an auto compute time now. And you put as well a formula here that they can edit if this, okay, is blank. So if this is empty, then they can edit. It's blank this. Okay. Then in cashier, this is just the enumeration type. So you can add here. This is the here. Okay. And price one, sorry, order one is a reference view. Okay, so reference view, as you can see, I keep it in the menu. It's here. Let's go to cashier, order one here. So this is coming from this table. Okay, so menu, you can choose drop down buttons. I would suggest to keep it as drop down. Okay, because this is like if you put a button, it will be a lot. Okay, then quantity. So it's a number. You can just here in price there is like show only. Okay, so there are some show if here. So in price, it's you can choose your currency, and there is an auto compute here, initial value. So the price, guys, is once they place an order here, it's the price in the table. It's copied also. Okay, so this is the formula for that. So you can just use a select formula, goes to menu, price, name, and we're in this row. Order number one is equals wherein name is equals to this row that order number one. Okay, so basically whatever is the value here, and this is and the value of the price should be like this. Should be this. Okay, then the quantity. Okay, and this one show if view order summary is empty. So basically, when you want to click the summary, it hides the your order. So here, I can only see my summary order. And you see it will show. Let's add, let's say, two orders. I will show you how. Okay, see, if you want to view your order summary, it hides. So you can only see this details, order number, order type, date. Okay, the order, then okay, the total amount. Okay, once you click it, you will go back. Then add order. Once you add an order, this is the order number two. When you add here, it shows, sorry, add here, it shows the amount. Add, okay. So in short, this is a multiple items.